My name is Melissa. I'm 33 and I came to Dr. Hess for a breast reduction surgery. This is something I've always wanted to have done since I was 18. I've always wanted to feel more confident in my clothing and more comfortable with myself. So it's just something that I've always had to have, or I've always wanted to have done.
I had thought about getting breast implants for many years, but always found reasons or excuses not to do it. Finally, about 6 months ago, I said it was time, so I went and did a lot of research on the internet.
After seeing work on the internet and from different doctors, my expectations were that my reconstructed breasts would look somewhat normal, but I was very pleased with the results that Dr. Hess gave me. They looked better than normal.
He really listened to all my concerns and spent a lot of time with me going over the procedure and what I should and shouldn't expect.
Before my surgery, we had an appointment and went over everything that was going to happen. All of my questions were answered by Dr. Hess and his staff. And I also was sent home with a booklet in case I had any other questions that I had missed. There were several things in the booklet that I had not even thought to ask that were answered for me.
He sat down with me and went over everything and told me what to expect and what not to expect.
My expectations were what most people would expect, that things would go smoothly during surgery with no complications, that I would have an end result that I was comfortable with, and that I would feel good and confident. I was far exceeded my expectations, and I'm thrilled with the results.
My post-op experience has been great. I rarely had any problems after surgery. I had bruising and swelling, which is normal, but I didn't have any trouble with anything. I was back to work in about 5 days, and
so Dr. Hess did the first part of the reconstruction surgery. It was great. He did wonderful aftercare. I was in the office a lot. He has recently finished the surgery, and I'm so happy with the results. He did such a wonderful job. I feel whole again, and throughout this whole time he's been such a comfort. He's been so professional, yet just so kind at the same time, not cold.
I highly recommend the surgery to anyone that's thinking of having this done. This is a great surgery to have. It made me feel more comfortable and more confident in myself, and I highly recommend Dr. Hess.